Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at this website. So first of all, before we do anything, on the top right hand side you will see sign in. That's where I need you guys to create an account. So just click on sign in. Once we click on sign in, you will see down here on the left hand side it will say create an account. So if you don't have one, create one right now. So we're just gonna click right there just to show you. It will ask you for your first name, last name. Just make up a password, then your email, then your phone number, and type in your address and everything else. You will need all this stuff anyways if you're gonna order anything from this website. Once you're done filling that out, on the bottom left hand side, just create account. Once you have signed in, it's just gonna take you back to the main page. Scroll down at this point in time. And in this case, we're gonna find some stuff for your products. So for example, a water filter. Right here, we can put our model, sure. However, on the right hand side, you're gonna see this right here. Buy water filters. Just click there. Then from here, all you have to do is put in your model number. Now your model number should be in your fridge. If you open up your fridge on the top right hand side, for most of you, you will see your model number there plus your serial number. So in this case, I'm looking for this one specifically. So in my case, when I start typing it up, I see this. There's 2 more letters into my model number. However, this should be good enough. So let's just click on it. And it should find the water filter that's appropriate for that. And it's right here. Now, yes, I can confirm this with the manuals that came with my fridge. So just take a look at those and make sure you're buying the correct product. Right now, we can just add it to our cart. So we can just click on it, add to cart, and it's gonna add it to our cart. We can view our cart or check out at this point in time. So before we do that, I just wanna click on that X and we're gonna click on the water filter. Now, if you click on the water filter itself, it's going to take you to this page where we can also add it to our cart. On the right hand side, you will see add to cart. And also on the top right hand side, you will see this, your cart. So we can go ahead, click on our cart. And from here, we should see this, which will tell us exactly how much it is. And if we scroll down just a little bit, we can continue to check out. So let's just click on continue to check out. From here on the right hand side of your screen, you should see your address. That should be fine. So we can just click on the left hand side where it says save and continue. Now technically shipping should be free, so it should tell you that yes, it's gonna charge you those $6. However, it's gonna take them away since you're ordering something that's above a certain price. So again, we can just click on the left hand side where it's gonna say save and continue. Again, it's gonna ask you for your billing address. If it's the same thing, on the top left hand side, you will see that you can put a check mark on billing address. Once you put a check mark on billing address the same as shipping address, all you have to do is, that's right, just save and continue again. And from here, it's gonna load up this information. So at this point, what we have to do is just type in all our information. So our credit card information goes right here, expiry date, and finally, the back of our card should give us this information. From here, we can just click on submit, which is on the bottom left-hand side. So once we select the month, and right here, whenever it expires, so in my case, that's right, 2025, plus the back of my card, we can click on that submit button. From here, we're just gonna scroll down a little bit. It's gonna take us to this page, and right here, we should see all the details. So the tax, everything that's included. We can just put a check mark on the bottom right-hand side. Just put a check mark on this square right down here. And then we can finally just place our order. So on the bottom, just place order. And then we are done. So don't forget to check your email because you should have got an email just to verify your email address since you created an account, if you created an account, and you should be able to get another email as well. This is the last page you would see. You would see your order number on the top left-hand side, and that's about it. So you should take a screenshot just in case you didn't get an email and have this on hand. But hey, that's why we created an account. So everything is also in our account, everything that we order, and everything that we register right here on this website. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.